Hello everyone, good to see you at the channel How to Use It, and in this video we continue to learn about functions of Ilovepdf.com. In that video we convert our images to PDF file. I click that option, select images. For example, I choose that, open, and we have some options to edit. It's portrait, landscape, page size, we can change it, no margin, small, big. And we have options merge all images in one PDF file if you have several. We can add some additional, for example, that image, and convert to PDF with merging. After that we save our PDF file, I open it, and we have 2 pages in new PDF document. So if you like this video, if it helps you, then thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to see another tutorials about Ilovepdf and want more about all functions on that website, then click on the display to the playlist and watch all video what you need. Thanks you for watching, and see you in the next video.